Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we've got a cocktail. It's called the Captain's Folly. Because if you drink more than a few of these, you're going to commit folly. Like me trying to adjust my camera. Anyway, it starts out with a shot, or 1.5 ounces, of Captain Morgan. Then you want 1 ounce of vermouth, sweet or dry, it's your choice. I went with dry for this particular beverage. And then you want 1 ounce of Grand Marnier or some orange Caraco liqueur. You can use triple sec in a pinch. Depending on your sweetness level, 2 dashes of bitters can be added, or you can leave it out. Your choice. Then you want to add 2 ounces of ginger ale. And then you want 2 ounces of cola. I specifically went with Coca-Cola. And then just give this a stir. And that's that. Captain's Folly. Done.